Imagine awe. Imagine exhilaration. Imagine relaxation. Imagine bliss. Introducing Norwegian Bliss, the newest ship to ever cruise the last frontier and the only ship to be custom-built for the spectacular vistas of Alaska and the Caribbean. Imagine sheer amazement from our revolutionary observation lounge, offering the most expansive views at sea. Whether enjoying a romantic retreat or bringing the whole pack along, Norwegian Bliss offers a wide variety of accommodations. Imagine fantastic vistas from your private balcony, or blazing new trails on your own. Imagine chilling with your wild ones, or melting with a loved one. Imagine tranquility at the top of the ship, and beauty every which way you turn. Imagine luxury and exclusivity at sea. Imagine bliss. Enchanting experiences await you on the newest and coolest ship to ever cruise Alaska and the Caribbean, Norwegian Bliss. Book now to feel it first in 2018.